Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be unboxing my new camera, which is the Sony CyberShot DSC-HX400V. But before we unbox it, I'd just like to give a big thank you for 75 subscribers. It means a lot to me. So without further ado, let's get to unboxing it. Alright, so B&H Photo wrapped this very nicely. Here's the camera. And then I also ordered the memory card as well. Alright, so now that we've gotten the camera out of the shipping box, let's take a look at what it shows on the box. So here on the front, it shows the camera and the model number. It's the CyberShot DSC-HX400V, and it uses the MPBX1 lithium-ion battery. Over here on one of the side panels, you got another shot of the camera. It has Wi-Fi, NFC, so you can connect it to play memories to like view photos, and you don't have to transfer it like through an SD card converter. It has a Zeiss lens, an Exmor CMOS sensor, and Bion ZX superior auto. It has 20.4 megapixels, 50x optical zoom, which is actually which is a lot. A 3-inch 921,000 dot extra fine LCD and full HD movie. Now on this side, this is just kind of like technical specs. You get a power cord and power brick. You get a battery, a micro USB cable, shoulder strap, and a lens cap to make sure that you don't like scuff up the lens when you have it in storage. It can take 300 shots, and it's made in China. And then on the back, it takes full HD 1080p video, 4K imaging, triluminous color, AVC HD video. It has Dolby Digital Stereo Creator, memory stick, SDXC support. I don't know what NI is, but I mean we could find that out later. It has a multi-port and HDMI, so you can connect it up to your TV or laptop. And also has support for Mac. And then on this side, you get a shot of the front and back of the camera, and also some optional accessories like a camera, battery pack charger, bag, and a tripod. So why don't we get this thing unboxed? Alright, so now that we've taken a look at the box, let's actually take a look at the camera itself. Alright, nice packaging. You can win a $100 MasterCard gift card if you register your thing. Warranty and paperwork. If you guys really want to look at that. And here's where the camera is actually stored, underneath this nice panel. Let's move this stuff out of the way so it doesn't blow all over the place. So let's lift it up. Ooh. So as you can see, this is the camera wrapped up in some nice protective packaging. Let's set this on the side and look at some other things that's included in the box. You have a power brick, lens and battery pack, or lens cap and battery pack, and you have the charging cable. Alright, let's actually unpack all of this stuff. So now that we've gotten everything out of the box, let's take a look at the actual camera. Alright, so here's the actual camera that you get in the packaging. So you got a Zeiss Vario-Sonnar T-Star lens. You have your shutter and zoom button, and then on the side you have your focus. So in AF zoom mode, you use this ring to increase and decrease the zoom, and then it automatically focuses. Now if you switch it to DMF, then it's still in autofocus mode, but then you use this to tweak the focus, and then MF is just manual focus, and you use this to adjust the focus. And then over here we have the multi and HDMI port. That's the multi-port and the HDMI port. This is where you plug where you charge the camera, and this is the HDMI port, and then this is the shoulder strap, or where you can put the shoulder strap. And then over here we have the electronic viewfinder. This is where you put your eye through. This is a proximity sensor, so when you put your eye close to it, it automatically switches it from the LCD screen to the electronic viewfinder. And this, I actually don't know what it is. And then on the top we have a hot shoe where you can put like a extra flash or a microphone on. And then over here is where you can pop up the flash, so it just kind of pops up like that, and then you can push it back down so it stays nicely. And then over here we have the actual screen. You can push this out and kind of adjust it to your liking. It doesn't flip up like the HX99, but it's still pretty good, so you can have different viewing angles. This is to take video, your control wheel. This is to view your pictures, the menu, and then the trash, and then like the help menu, I guess. Up on the top, the on and off switch. This is to manually switch between the viewfinder and the LCD screen. This is the mode thing. You got, I think this is Intelligent Auto Plus, Program Auto, and some other things like Scene Select, and some other things. This is the function button, and then this is the custom button. I think when we power it on, we can see what kind of functions that you can program into it. And then you also have your stereo microphone. And then on the bottom, you just have some regular stuff like serial number and model number. And then here, this is where you put the battery, which is MPBX1, and then you can put your SD card and memory stick. And then you can also have a micro SD card with a micro SD to SD card converter. Alright, so now that we've taken a look at the camera, let's put the battery and SD card in and see how well this thing actually is. So here you have the MPBX1 battery. This is the contact points, and on the back you have a nice hologram to show that's a real Sony battery, not a fake one that you can find on like eBay or something like that. And then you insert it like this, with the big part facing out so that it's spring loaded, so you just pop it in. And then to take the battery out, you just push this blue lever back, and it'll pop out, and you can take it and like recharge it or something, or switch the battery out. And then here I have a Samsung 64 Evo Plus SD card. It's $10 on B&H Photo, so I think you should actually go and check it out. It's a pretty good deal. It just pops in like a regular SD card, and to take it out, you just push on it and you can take it out. And then to close this, you just push it in, and there you go. Alright, there was just a little bit of a technical error. So let's actually turn it on now. So you just push this button, and give it a second. Alright, so now it says set area, date, and time. I don't know if you can see that. We'll just set it up now. So we're in San Francisco, Tijuana, Pacific Standard Time. I don't know if you can see it. I think the screen's a little too dark. Daylight savings time, date and time. Today is, I think, August 12th. August 12th, 2021. And it's around 3:45 p.m. And then you just press this button. There we go. It looks all good. And then just play memories junk that you really don't need. And here we are. Alright, I guess we have to set up some image database. Give it a second. Complete. Alright, now here it is. Let's actually turn up the brightness. I think it's a little too dark. So here's the menu. You got your image size and whatever. Go over here. Some other stuff. Some like stuff that you can send to like your tablet or smartphone or your computer. I think this is play memories. I think this is for video and stuff. And then over here, I think you have your settings. So let's turn this up. I still think it's a little too dark, but you tell me. I may reshoot this part. But anyway, let's take some pictures. I'll show them on the screen in just a couple seconds. Alright, thank you for watching my video. And I think a review video will be coming on in a couple days after I edit this one and see how I like this camera. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and have a good day. Bye.